Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome for the first time. So, in today's video, I'm doing something that I don't want to do, but it needs to be done. It's this. We're gonna cut these ends because they are dead, they are crispy, they're crunchy, they're dry, no matter what I do. Let me brush this out so you can see exactly where I am right now. Look at how uneven. Like this side is substantially longer than this side. I don't know why, but anyways, let's get to this chopping. So first of all, let's talk about this. Let's talk about the fact that I have a slight bald patch up there. Oh, there she is, right here. Right here, I have a bald patch, a bald spot, because once upon a time, I was wearing this wig and it just looked so bad. Like it kept lifting up right here. And so I took some eyelash glue and I put it right here and put the wig down. And yeah, I forgot that I had put that lash glue on my scalp and I went to snatch the wig off and a big old chunk of hair came out too. But moral of the story is don't put eyelash glue on your scalp unless you want to be bald. Anyways, let's get into this cut. I have dandruff, dang. I just washed my hair, I swear. I'm kind of nervous because I also want to cut myself some, I want some curtain bangs. I want some curtain bangs, you guys, but I don't know. Let's see where my bangs are now. I cut my bangs a while ago and they have grown out like substantially because they were up here and now they're down here. Okay, I think that's enough for the bangs because I'm starting to scare myself. I'm gonna end up having those little baby bangs and I don't want those. So let me go ahead and start on the length. I did see one video where the girl put all her hair up in a ponytail and then just kind of like a ponytail up here and then cut it this way. Here is my ponytail in the middle of my head, dead center. So now I'm going to, oh my God, this is a disaster already. But I'm gonna take this, and you can actually see right here that this side is longer than this side. So I'm gonna try to even that up. I'm gonna take a good chunk of hair off. Oh, that's uneven. This is how much hair I've just cut off in my head. Okay, let's do that again. Oh my God, it's getting bad. Let's see what I've done. So, wait, this might not be too bad. Okay, so what exactly did I cut? Is this layers? Oh, it's layers. That was the... So I still have unevenness, I still have dead ends. Oh God, this is cute. So you have to make sure it's like directly under your double chin, right? And then I'm just going to... Okay. Oh, I'm not seeing any split ends on here, so that is what we want. Let's see how it looks in the back if it's even. Hopefully it's a gradual V. How does it look? I'm scared. Okay, I'm seriously not mad at the outcome of this haircut. So this is what it looks like. I love the volume. It did exactly what I needed it to do. Never mind the cleaner. It actually looks really, really good. And I did cut myself some slight bangs. I'll probably go back and fix those another day. They're pretty uneven, but for now, this is all I feel like doing. I am gonna be way better to my hair this time around, especially the ends, because lately, especially like since we moved, when I hit the bed, I just hit the bed. Like I'll shower and get in the bed and I am out. I forget to wrap my hair up, so the ends are just all crazy and all over the place. That does not work for hair growth. As you guys know, well, some of you might know, I'm trying to grow my hair out for our wedding. We're already married, but we're having a ceremony back in my home state, and I want my hair to be long and luscious. I probably will put in some extensions just for some fullness, but I want the length to be there. Like I just want the extensions to be like a supplement, just a little extra something. So hopefully I will, you know, do right by my hair this time around. But let me show you how it looks in the back. Hopefully you guys saw that and it was even and all in frame. But that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and remember to just let your ends go. If they are looking raggedy, what's the point of having length if it's not healthy looking? It actually makes your hair look thinner when the ends are like bad like that. So just let it go, start over. It's just hair. That's it for me, you guys. I will see you in the next video. Bye.